Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. In continuation of our previous discussions about various proverbs from the English language, let us take one more proverb. But before doing that, I request you all to kindly listen to my analysis, put in your comments and opinions, and let us join together my analysis, your comments, and your opinions together and come out with some result that is beneficial to all of us. Thanks. Now, today's proverb is an early bird gets the worm. This is a very important proverb in the English language which has been vouched for by the Hindu scriptures. According to Hindu scriptures, there is a period called Brahma Muhurta. This Brahma Muhurta begins at 3:30 in the morning and ends at 6:30 in the morning. According to the English proverb and the scriptures, anyone who focuses on his or her talents or his or her work during the early period of a day avoids not only unwanted competition, but he or she is able to focus more and better in his or her ambitious actions. Here, if a person works during the Brahma Muhurta, that is 3:30 a.m. to 6:30 a.m., on any work of his or her choice, he or she is likely to succeed faster and better than anyone who does the same thing later in the day. This action can be anything. It can be related to studies, athletics, bodybuilding, wrestling practice, etc. You may have seen that many studious children work hard during the Brahma Muhurta, that is between the same 3:30 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. Similarly, joggers, wrestlers, bodybuilders, powerlifters, weightlifters, etc. work a lot during this period to gain a lot of strength and stamina and to attain expertise in their own talent or chosen profession. It can also relate to sports. Even in sports, the coaches train the children who are under them at this particular period so that the children can perform better. We should all remember this and try to begin our work as early as possible so that we attain expertise in our work and thus we can be successful in life. Remember that even meditation is done only during the early hours of the day so that one is able to focus better on the Supreme Brahman or God and attain self-realization. Thank you.